Happy morning, dear children. How are you all? I hope you are taking good care of your health. Dear children, today we are going to learn about a poem which is very fun. Okay? So, let's go. We will be learning about our chapter 9, The Tragic Story. Dear children, it is a poem but it is a form of a narration. इसलिए यहाँ पे the title is The Tragic Story, okay, and the story is about a saint. Fine. यहाँ पे एक सेंट है जिसकी बहुत ही लंबी पोनी टेल है, ओके, एंड वो अपनी पोनी टेल से बहुत परेशान हो गया है. So let us see the fun of tragic story. It is a tragedy for the sage, but it is fun for us because this poem is very funny. So, our first stanza. There lived a sage in the days of yore, and he a handsome pigtail wore, but wondered much and sorrowed more because it hung behind him. Dear children, the first stanza is describing about a sage who used to live long ago, okay? In the days of yore means he used to live long ago, बहुत पुराने टाइम की बात है ये. And he had a very handsome pigtail, means a bunch of hair which are tied and twisted, okay? मम्मा की भी लंबी लंबी चोटी होती है तो वो क्या करते हैं, वो लंबे बालों की चोटी बना देते हैं, वो उसका बंच बना देते हैं, right? So the sage had a very handsome pigtail, means बहुत ही अच्छी उनकी लंबी सी चोटी थी. But wondered much and sorrowed more, but he was very annoyed with his pigtail. उसे अपने लंबे बाल, उसे अपनी चोटी जो है बहुत annoy करती थी, and he used to be very upset about it. He used to sorrow, means he used to feel sad about his pigtail, and it always hung around behind him. वो हमेशा उसके पीछे रहती थी. Because of that he used to feel very heavy like this. Okay? तो जिस direction में उसकी pigtail जाती थी, his head used to whirl round and round. Okay? And he was very upset about it. He was very annoyed with his long pigtail. Okay? Stanza number 2. He mused upon this curious case and swore he changed the pigtail's place and have it hanging at his face, not dangling there behind him. So, what he did? He mused upon, means he thought carefully कि अब उसे इस pigtail का क्या करना है. And then he swore, उसने कसम खा ली. He swore that he will change the position of his pigtail, means वो अपनी pigtail की position change कर देगा. Because when the pigtail was behind him, he used to feel very sad. So he swore that he will change the position of his pigtail and having it hanging at his face. उसने सोचा कि अगर वो अपनी चोटी आगे कर लेगा तो उसकी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जाएगी. Such a fun thing, right? कभी आपने अपने बाल आगे किए हैं? No, ना? Not dangling behind him. Dangling means hanging or swinging. Next stanza. Says he, the mystery I found, I'll turn me round. He turned him round, but still it hung behind him. उसने सोचा कि वो अपनी पिगटेल को आगे लेकर आएगा और उसे वो ट्विस्ट कर देगा. ओके, जैसे मम्मा अपने बालों का बन बना देती है. He thought of making a bun, but what happened? उसने सोचा that it will work, but it still fell down and the pigtail was still hanging behind him. He was very happy at first. उसने ये सोचा कि वो उसे टर्न करके एक बन बना देगा. But what happened? We'll see in the next stanza. And over here the meaning of mystery is a strange and interesting thing because one doesn't know much about it. हमें जिस चीज़ के बारे में नहीं पता होता वो हमारे लिए एक मिस्ट्री होती है. And here the mystery for the sage is that how should he handle his pigtail. Next stanza. Then round and out and in, all day the puzzled sage did spin. उसने जैसे बन बनाया वो बन पिगटेल के हैवी होने के वजह से फिर खुल गया. Then he tried it again and again. उसने बहुत सारे attempts किए. But what happened? The pigtail was still behind him. In vain it mattered not a pin. The pigtail hung behind him. So he was very puzzled, means he was unable to understand that what is happening with me. इस पिगटेल ने तो मुझे परेशान कर दिया है. And in vain means it was useless to make efforts. उसने बहुत बार ट्राई किया, उसने पिगटेल आगे लिया, उसने उसको ट्विस्ट किया, टर्न किया, but the pigtail was still behind him. उसकी चोटी फिर भी उसके पीछे थी. So he thought that all his efforts are in vain, means are useless. Next stanza. And right and left and round about and up and down and in and out. He tried to put his pigtail right, then left and then राउंड अबाउट. उसने अपने पिगटेल को, अपनी चोटी को पहले राइट में किया, फिर लेफ्ट किया, फिर राउंड उसको पूरा घुमाया. उन्होंने अपनी पिगटेल को अंदर करने की ट्राई की, बन बनाने की ट्राई की, खोलने की ट्राई की. बट वॉट हैपेंड? द पिगटेल वॉज हंग स्टेडीली बिहाइंड हिम. फिर भी वो पिगटेल उनके पीछे थी. Let's see the meaning of stout. It means strong and thick. Means the pigtail was very strong and very thick. Last stanza. And though his efforts never slacked, and though he twisted and twirled and tagged. उन्होंने बहुत ट्राई किया, अपने पिगटेल को उन्होंने ट्विस्ट किया, टर्न किया, उसका बन बनाया, बट स्टिल द फेथफुल पिगटेल वॉज स्टिल बिहाइंड हिम. अल्लाह still faithful to his back, the pigtail hangs behind him. The pigtail was very faithful with his back. Okay, ऐसा लग रहा था जैसे पिगटेल जो है उसको सेज के पीछे ही रहना था. That's why the pigtail was not changing the position. And because of this, the sage was still annoyed. New words, let us see. Twirl. Twirl means to move and dance round and round. He tried to move his pigtail. कभी आगे, कभी उसने पीछे रखा, कभी राइट रखा, कभी लेफ्ट रखा. But the pigtail was still on his back, means behind his back. The meaning of tack is quickly. So I hope you all are pretty clear with this poem. This poem is very funny because it makes no sense, right? It is just about a sage who is very annoyed with his long pigtail, with his long hair. So it's time for your work from home now. What do you need to do? You need to recite the poem and send an audio message. You will sing this poem, you will recite it, you will be recording this and you will send it to me. Okay? Then you need to write the poem and the new words from my dictionary which is there in your textbook. And as and when you are done with this, do send me a photo shot so that I can check your work. I will see you next time. with a fresh lesson, and do read the poem, do recite it. Okay? Bye. God bless you, dear children.